Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. Today I have received few theses from a university for the assessment, and the university has given some special instructions regarding the name I use in the comments. If you want to add a comment on a document, of course you will go from this option of review, and here you can select any line and you can just select new comment. So while writing any comment, my name will be shown here. But university has instructed me not to use my name, and rather than this name, I should use external examiner. So how to change this name? This is very simple. Just go to this file menu, and just in the last you will see this options. Just click this options, and here you will see the username, and here I can change my name which will appear in the comment. Like I will write external examiner, and I will click OK. And now if I will write any comment, so new name will appear, and you can see now it is shown as external examiner. So this is how you can change the name in the comment. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.